Hello, today's little video concerns a dog. Well, it's a one-liner really, and it concerns a dog in the forest. And you might think to yourself, God, dog in the forest, you must be in heaven. Cock his leg anywhere. But anyway, you'll see the punchline at the end of the little sketch. Oh, and the other thing is, the sketch has got a music soundtrack this time, but quite a few of you have written in saying you prefer me talking through the different stages of the drawing. That way you pick up a few hints and techniques, and I must admit that is the best way of showing you how I draw. So this will be the last drawing with a music soundtrack. In future I'll be talking behind the drawing that you see on the screen. Brilliant. Thanks for watching.